A court has ordered the cancellation of the passport of former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque over qualified human trafficking charges linked to his alleged involvement in a Pogo hub in Porac, Pampanga. Here's a report.
The Pasig City Regional Trial Court has canceled the passport of former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque. The cancellation stems from qualified trafficking in persons charges filed against him in connection with alleged unlawful activities of the Philippine offshore gaming operators in Porac, Pampanga. In a Facebook Live broadcast, Roque stated that he plans to file a motion for reconsideration regarding the matter.
Well, unang-una po, hindi pa po pinalyan. Kaya nga po ako'y nagtataka kung bakit lahat sila ay sinasabi na kanselado ng passport ko. Meron po akong 15 araw para mag-file ng motion for reconsideration at nagfa-file po ako ng motion for reconsideration. Bakit po? Kasi sa tingin ko, mali po yung reasoning ng hukuman.
He also argued that the court's justification for revoking his passport was flawed, stressing that the right to seek asylum is a recognized human right.
So, sa tingin ko po, kapag ikaw ay humiling ng asylum sa ibang bansa, hindi po yan unjustifiable. Hindi po yang walang dahilan para hindi bumalik ng Pilipinas. Ang katotohanan po, yan ay karapatang pantao. At hindi dapat sasabihin na unjustified po yan.
Meanwhile, Presidential Communications Office Secretary Dave Gomez said the cancellation of the passport is part of the judicial process. He explained that his actions, including the issuance of red notices, aim to compel fugitives abroad to return and face charges. Gomez emphasized that revoking their passports is within the state's authority and ensures they are brought back to the country to undergo legal proceedings.
This is all part of the judicial process, no, Maricel, as we know. Nasa labas ng bansa yung mga tinatawag natin yung mga fugitives from justice. Kaya this is part of the natural process to bring them back home and face the charges against them. No? So yung pagkansela ng kanilang passport ay parte ng kapangyarihan ng Estado at part of the judicial process para masiguradong makauwi sila to face the charges back in the country.